Before we get into the video, check the description and join our daily giveaways.
Elrond is an exceptionally extraordinary and novel task for the crypto business. In that capacity, it has a ton of devotees and individuals anticipating its turn of events. In the present status of the crypto market, EGLD's value's been exceptionally low, contrasted with its past exhibition. This permits us to examine and predict the cost of Elrond in the forthcoming years, consequently making a significant cost forecast. In this video, we will cover considerably more data about the Elrond biological system and organization. You can continuously avoid that part and get to the cost forecasts. Over the course of the last week, the cost of Elrond, EGLD, stayed around $68.15. The course supply is 22.93 million tokens. The market cap went up to $1.56 billion. What is Elrond, EGLD? Elrond is a crypto project that is well known for its exchange speed. All the more explicitly, the organization can deal with north of 250,000 recorded exchanges each second, TPS. This is conceivable because of the sharding innovation. The authority site of the venture depicts the organization as an innovation environment. To be exact, an innovation biological system for the new web, Web 3, which likewise incorporates fintech, DeFi, IoT, and that's only the tip of the iceberg. Elrond upholds brilliant agreements as well. That, however, it is equipped for with handling north of 15,000 TPS, with just 6-second inertness and a $0.001 exchange expense. This makes it an extraordinary fascination and a commendable possibility for the future of the crypto world. The local digital currency of Elrond is called e-gold, otherwise called EGLD. Clients can utilize the token to pay for expenses, stake it, or reward validators, diggers. Will EGLD reach $500? Elrond is a task that accompanies a ton of utility. This is the thing numerous financial backers love about it. Proprietors are hopeful about the advancement of the organization, when the market balances out. That is the reason so many accept the cost won't just reach $500 however go past and arrive at its past greatness. Notwithstanding, we should consider it briefly. The ongoing cost of Elrond is around $60, which is far away from its past all-time high of $490.35. This implies it will require a 8.3x expansion to arrive at a value assessment of $500. With an ongoing business sector cap of $1.3 billion, this will bring about another market cap of more than $10 billion. This is totally feasible once the market balances out and crypto sees more reception. Nonetheless, we accept this won't occur at any point in the near future. The cost will likely ascend to this price tag in the far-off future, more towards the decade's end. EGLD price prediction for 2022 to 2030. Elrond's future cost is hard to foresee, as it is dependent on various variables, including the exhibition of the Elrond organization, worldwide financial circumstances, and the cost of other cryptographic forms of money. In any case, in the event that Elrond keeps on developing as an organization at its ongoing rate, it is conceivable that the cost assessment for EGLD could undoubtedly return to its past prime and most likely around the cost of $100 toward the finish of 2022 or 2023. This would be a critical increment from its ongoing cost of around $60, yet would in any case be way underneath its unequaled high of $490.35, arrived at in November 2021. While Elrond's future cost is difficult to anticipate with sureness, we are anxious to impart to you our logical gauge. 2022 EGLD price prediction. A portion of the monetary business top names have loaned their way to Elrond's cost guess. The quantity of joint efforts and occasions with the cryptographic money area shows that many individuals are positive about digital currency. As indicated by that and to Elrond's exhibition over the course of the last year, it might accomplish a huge lift by the end of the year, dissimilar to other critical coins like Bitcoin and ETH, and go through the $100 mark once more, which will draw it nearer to its past levels. 2023 EGLD price prediction. Numerous investigators have made Elrond cost expectations for 2023, and the overall agreement is that the cost of Elrond will keep on rising. This depends on various variables, including the rising utilization of Elrond's innovation, the developing notoriety of crypto, and the general uplifting perspective for the worldwide economy. While it is difficult to say precisely exact thing the cost of Elrond will be in 2023, most specialists concur that it can possibly arrive at new levels. All the more, everything being equal, we can anticipate that the cost of Elrond should reach $141, $148 toward the finish of 2023. 2024 EGLD price prediction. Assuming the development for Elrond proceeds, we can undoubtedly see it getting enormous reception. Our cost expectation for 2024 is basically as moderate as could be expected, to not mislead you. We accept that toward the finish of 2024, the cost of Elrond will reach somewhere around $180. On the off chance that we let ourselves be a smidgen more speculative, we'd raise it to $195, bringing it increasingly close to its past pinnacle. 2025 EGLD price prediction. As per numerous Elrond devotees and their cost expectations, EGLD costs might rise emphatically in the exchanging range somewhere in the range of $254 and $261. Notwithstanding, the most practical assumption is for a midpoint of these cost levels. With boundless reception, EGLD cost forecast as a modest and helpful computerized resource could turn into a reality. For this situation, we should likewise consider that the Elrond organization can altogether extend and create. All things considered, costs might try and go as high as $284, yet that is very aggressive. Concerning a more regrettable situation, there are numerous things we can't foresee, such as any worldwide military, ecological, pandemic, monetary, and other comparable issues. In any case, we should investigate what we have within reach. If one more Elrond contender emerges, things can go south for Elrond. Something else that can happen is assuming there's any adjustment of the organization's activity. This can incorporate a difference in CEO, engineers, other colleagues, and so on. Assuming that occurs, we can see the cost of Elrond dropping by 50 to 70%, meaning it will go for about $113, $130. 2026 EGLD price prediction. Keeping our moderate methodology, we won't attempt to make absurd cost expectations for Elrond. Albeit many accept that by 2026 the cost of EGLD will be something like $300, we'd give an alternate worth. 2026 is really not excessively far away, however as far as crypto, it is. We accept that Elrond will be assessed at any place somewhere in the